Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up OneDrive Files on Demand for large folders step by step clearly. To set up OneDrive Files on Demand for large folders, begin by ensuring that OneDrive is installed on your device. Locate the OneDrive icon in the system tray, which is usually at the bottom right corner of your screen. Right-click the OneDrive icon to open the context menu. Select Settings from the menu that appears. In the OneDrive Settings window, navigate to the Settings tab. Ensure that the option for Save Space and Download Files as you use them is checked. Click OK to confirm your settings. Close the Settings window. Next, open File Explorer on your device. In the left sidebar, find and select the OneDrive folder. Inside the OneDrive folder, locate the large folder you wish to manage. Right-click on that folder to open the context menu. Select Always Keep on this device if you want the folder to be available offline. If you prefer to save space, select Free Up Space, which will remove the local copy while keeping the files available online. To verify that your folder is set up correctly, check the status icons next to the folder name. A green checkmark indicates it is stored locally, while a cloud icon means it's only available online. You can change these settings for individual files within the folder by right-clicking on them. Remember, using Files on Demand helps manage disk space while keeping your important files accessible. This feature is especially useful when dealing with large folders that contain numerous files. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.